Here she goes, flown by squadron leader Richard Beaton and Flight Lieutenant Tim Coverill.
Completing their 360 turn with gear down as they accelerate away.
Training on the aircraft and RIAT flights all down the road. Production of the 757 ended 5 years ago in October 2004 after a total production run of 1,000. Today with Richard and Tim, it has a flight deck crew of 2, pilot and co-pilot.
Again, like all large aircraft displays, crew corroboration is essential here, with the handling pilot working very hard to keep the aircraft on datums, on speed, on height, and all the supplementary information being called out by the co-pilot in the right-hand seat. As mentioned before, acting sort of like a co-driver in a rally car with the rally notes pattering his way. Doing very well to keep it under control. 10-15 degrees nose up to the flight.
Around 4,000 miles. Flying from New Zealand to Hawaii non-stop. 100 feet straight level. You see the vape performing on the upper surface of the wings as Richard Beaton pulls hard. Fighter-style zoom climb from the New Zealand Boeing 757.
Yeah, he's probably just going to spill his coffee at the top of that wing over there.
Again, some great flying in not great conditions.
That would move some of the water out of the way for Leon.
That's impressive.
Richard Beaton, a highly experienced 757 pilot and test pilot. He was a test pilot for the recent upgrade, so these conditions are near Bagatelle.
For those of you watching the 757 taxiing now, you can get an indication of just how much water is on the runway by the amount of wake that's coming off his nose wheel tyres as the taxi past.
What a strange day. Game of two halves, a day of two halves. Look to the left, blue sky, to the right, blue. The good news is the blue sky is coming our way. We should be okay to finish the air show as planned. Leon Creek on the runway. When you see the nose wheel light appear, he is ready to start the display.